2008 Honda CRV. We are doing the high pressure power steering hose and the power steering pump. So the complaint was about just whining noise and stuttering when they turn the steering wheel. So because of the lack of fluid, so the power steering pump was making some kind of like whining noise, and we found the malfunction on the power steering hose that was leaking, broken line. So we got the brand new hose. Just remember, it doesn't come with the pressure sensor, which is right here. You have to transfer the sensor from here to the new one, and you don't need even to lift up the vehicle. You got plenty of room over here. You can use that number 21 and lose up the line from the rack and pinion side and take it off from here, couple brackets, and then drop the belt, serpentine belt. And there is two, like, let me show it to you. There is two bolts right here, goes to the block. Make sure you replace, you transfer that pulley. You're gonna use number 17. Take off the pulley. It's easy. You don't need to press it on or press it out or anything. And put it back on the shaft. Tight the knot. And always replace all the seals. Goes to the high pressure and return line. And then after that, when you install back everything together, the procedure for the bleeding is you need to fill up the reservoir all the way, and then jack up the vehicle and turn the steering all the way to the left and then right, or right and then left. So you need to do it at least 10-15 times, maybe 20 times. And then after that, since the vehicle is on the jack, start up the car, let it run on the idle, and do it again. Turn the steering wheel to the left and right, another 20 times. Make sure you leave the cap on. You're gonna have some kind of power steering fluid throwing up, but it's okay. Make sure you put the pan underneath to catch the extra power steering fluid coming up. And then since you're done, you can lower down the jack, and then while the vehicle is running, turn the steering wheel to the left and right. Make sure there is no noise, because if the air is in there, you're gonna still have some kind of whining noise. I mean, so that's about it. But whenever you're done, and make sure there is no whining noise or anything, turn off the vehicle, fill it back up the reservoir to the max level. Do not overfill it, and put back the cap, start the vehicle, and you can send the vehicle home. That was all about it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.